guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about two internship openings at Amazon. One is SD internship and second is programmer analyst internship, which is both for 2022 and 2023 batch students. If you have all the information, you just want to apply, go to the link in the description and apply in specific internship. Before we go to the openings and discuss about them, do subscribe to our channel. We are posting lots of openings. They come in the month of August and September. All the updated detail will be provided to you, authentic and trustworthy, that you can rely upon and apply. Now we talk about the SD internship first. It is a regular internship which they hire every year. Every year it comes around August or September and they keep hiring for a few months. Then it come again in November and December as well. Last year and previous last year also it happened the same way. So if you want to wait for a few months and etc., you can think about it. But in my opinion, if you apply right now, you will get a date for return or something in a month or two. So you can easily apply now and prepare for your DSC etc. by the time you get in the time duration that you get for the test etc. So let's talk about this profile. So they have mentioned two starting dates. One is from Jan to Feb, which will be 6-month internship, okay, for final year students who are in 2023 pass out batch student. For 2022 they have mentioned 2 months of April and May in 2022, so that next year summer break will be there. So you can apply for this. Qualification are simple. You must be enrolled in a program. CGP etc is not mentioned. All the standard things are mentioned, so you can definitely apply to this if you are from 2022 or 2023 pass out batch. If you want to know more how to apply, how to prepare, everything with detailed guide, we already have a video on our platform, on our YouTube channel. You can see in the screen, as well as you can go to the link in description. It tells you in detail what are the different rounds in Amazon, how to prepare for each one of them, okay. So you can definitely go and check out that video. Next we come to the second opening of programmer analyst intern. It's posted on Dare to Compete. So last day is to submit, apply is 13th of August. So you can just go and directly apply. It's a programmer analyst. It's not that developer job, but it will be slightly different. You can read the job description, but you can definitely apply and see if you get selected. As it is mentioned, currently enrolled in any bachelor or master program, which means only 2022 and 23 batch students will be allowed, because second year and first year students are usually not allowed in internship for Amazon. There is a second year internship in Amazon as well, but there is a separate post for it and it is specifically mentioned that it is for a second year batch student. So please go and apply. Join our WhatsApp group as well for internship updates. If you have any query, you can write us on the comments or you can WhatsApp me on WhatsApp etc. Okay, so WhatsApp hi hoga. You can WhatsApp me on my number. You can find in the WhatsApp group that we are going to join, or you must be having it. You can also connect with me on Instagram. Instagram is also a very helpful platform.